Welcome to our latest update on the United States weather for June 21, 2025. As the summer solstice marks the longest day of the year, the atmosphere across America is buzzing with warmth, moisture, and regional contrasts. From the Pacific coast to the Atlantic shore, today's weather is a vivid demonstration of the nation's geographic diversity. In the Northeast, cities like New York, Boston, and Philadelphia are starting their day with clear skies and warm temperatures. Morning lows were in the upper 60s Fahrenheit, quickly rising into the mid-80s by midday. Humidity levels are moderate, making it a comfortable day for walking in Central Park, strolling by the Charles River, or simply enjoying lunch outdoors. However, clouds may begin to gather by evening, bringing chances of light showers overnight. Traveling westward to the Great Lakes and Midwest region, Chicago and Minneapolis are experiencing a full blast of early summer warmth. Afternoon highs are reaching 89 to 92 degrees Fahrenheit, with strong sunshine and minimal cloud cover. The air is dry, but forecasters are keeping a close eye on potential convective activity in the late evening. Thunderstorms could pop up as cooler northern air brushes against the hot southern air mass. Farmers across Iowa and Indiana are welcoming the stable conditions for harvesting early crops and spraying the fields. Down in the southeastern U.S., it's a humid and sultry day. Atlanta, Charlotte, and Nashville woke up to temperatures already near 75 degrees, and they are now soaring past 90. The intense humidity is pushing the heat index up to nearly 100 degrees in many urban areas. By mid-afternoon, towering cumulus clouds are forming over the Appalachian foothills and deep South Plains. Meteorologists predict that scattered thunderstorms will fire up, with a few strong cells capable of producing heavy rainfall, gusty winds, and even hail in isolated cases. In Florida, the subtropical pattern holds strong. Miami, Orlando, and Tampa are basking in sunshine through much of the morning. But by late afternoon, expect a typical summer burst of storms. These pop-up storms are short-lived but intense, bringing lightning, tropical downpours, and even brief street flooding. The temperatures will hover around 90 degrees, but it's the humidity that will make it feel much warmer. Now let's shift our focus to the Central Plains and Texas. From Kansas City to Dallas, the dominant story today is heat. Extreme heat advisories have been issued across parts of Oklahoma and North Texas as the mercury climbs into the mid to upper 90s, with heat indexes reaching 105 to 110 degrees. Winds are light, offering little relief. Energy providers in the region are asking residents to conserve electricity during peak afternoon hours to avoid power grid strain. The Southwest, including Arizona, New Mexico, and Southern California, continues its typical arid trend. In Phoenix and Las Vegas, the thermometer is touching triple digits. Temperatures as high as 108 degrees are being recorded. Skies remain clear, and the bone-dry air intensifies wildfire risks. Local fire departments are on high alert as lightning strikes from distant monsoon storms could trigger fires in dry brush zones. Up in the Pacific Northwest, a different scene is unfolding. Seattle and Portland are under a thick layer of marine clouds this morning, keeping the air cool and damp. Highs are expected to stay in the mid-60s with drizzle possible by evening. It's a stark contrast to the sun-scorched interior of Washington and Oregon, where high temperatures near 85 degrees are recorded in places like Spokane and Bend. California's coastal regions, including San Francisco and Los Angeles, are enjoying more temperate conditions. The morning marine layer has kept coastal zones cooler, with gradual clearing around midday. Inland valleys like Sacramento and the San Fernando Valley will feel the warmth more directly, with highs approaching 88 degrees under clear skies. Alaska is experiencing its own seasonal shift. In Anchorage, long daylight hours are bringing plenty of sunshine and temperatures around 68 degrees. Farther north in Fairbanks, it's warmer still, climbing into the low 70s with almost no cloud cover. Meanwhile, melting snow and ice in more remote areas are feeding into rivers, increasing the risk of localized flooding. Wildlife is abundant, and the tundra is alive with summer activity. Meanwhile, in Hawaii, tropical tranquility reigns. Honolulu sits at a comfortable 85 degrees with light trade winds. The sky is mostly sunny, with a few scattered clouds drifting by. Occasional showers may occur on the windward sides of the islands, but nothing disruptive is expected. Surfers are enjoying ideal wave conditions along the southern shores, and tourists are making the most of the dry, warm weather. Looking across the entire country, a few overarching themes emerge. High heat dominates the south and central U.S., the threat of thunderstorms looms in the southeast, dry fire-prone conditions persist in the southwest, and coastal areas remain relatively mild. The climate patterns we see today align with recent long-term trends: longer summers, hotter days, and more extreme weather fluctuations. June 2025 is shaping up to be warmer than average, continuing the trajectory of rising seasonal temperatures observed over the past 2 decades. The National Weather Service and NOAA continue to monitor these developments. With hurricane season officially underway, all eyes are also turning toward the Atlantic. No major systems are currently active, but tropical waves off the coast of Africa are being tracked. Conditions in the Gulf of Mexico and Caribbean remain quiet for now, but the warmth of ocean waters suggests that activity could pick up in the coming weeks. For now, Americans from coast to coast are experiencing what summer truly means in this vast, varied nation. Whether you're enjoying a sunny afternoon in San Diego, dodging thunderstorms in Alabama, or savoring the cool breeze in Vermont, today's weather offers a slice of the season in full swing. Thanks for being with us on this journey through the skies. Wherever you are, stay safe, stay cool, and enjoy the day.